FAYMONVILLE FlexMax is a self-steering trailer designed for transporting long and self-supporting materials such as precast concrete elements, steel beams, and timber. The 4-axle FlexMax, reference 46,338, has an overall width of 2,540 millimeters and a loading height of 1,555 millimeters. It features an axle load capacity of 52,000 kilograms, a tare weight of 8,200 kilograms, and a maximum permissible mass of 52,000 kilograms, resulting in a payload capacity of 43,800 kilograms. This model is equipped with 285/70R 19.5 tires. Meanwhile, the same width and loading height but has a higher axle load capacity of 72,000 kilograms. The ARJES Compactor 300 is a versatile 2-shaft shredder available in both stationary electric and mobile crawler configurations designed for a wide array of recycling applications. Its core function is the efficient reduction of materials like commercial waste, wastewood, green waste, rubber tires, aluminum, and construction debris. Dimensionally, the machine's width is approximately 2,300 millimeters, while its height varies depending on the setup, reaching around 3,200 millimeters for the stationary version and 3,700 millimeters in operation, 2,600 millimeters for transport for the mobile unit. Length, including the discharge belt, can reach 6,750 millimeters. In terms of weight, the stationary model is roughly 12,000 kilograms, and the mobile version weighs about 15,000 kilograms. The Liebherr LG 1801 stands as a formidable lattice boom mobile crane, engineered for heavy lifting tasks requiring significant reach and capacity. With a maximum lifting capacity of 800 metric tons, it excels in demanding industrial environments such as power plant construction, petrochemical facilities, and wind farm maintenance. This crane boasts a maximum hoist height of up to 204 meters and a maximum radius of 156 meters, providing extensive operational flexibility. Its design incorporates 9 axles, ensuring robust stability and mobility, and it is powered by 8-cylinder diesel engines for both travel and crane operations. The high lifting capacity of a crawler crane. Utilizing components from the Liebherr LR 1800-1.0 crawler crane. The Liebherr P995. Litronic is a specialized hydraulic excavator distinguished by its pontoon-based undercarriage, which makes it exceptionally suited for heavy-duty dredging and marine construction. With an operating weight of 398,000 kilograms and an engine output of 1,750 kilowatts, 2,346 horsepower, it delivers significant power for demanding aquatic tasks. The machine's backhoe bucket capacity ranges from 7.00 to 25.00 cubic meters, and it can achieve a digging depth of 26.30 meters. The P995 Litronic incorporates Liebherr's advanced Litronic control system, ensuring precise operation and enhanced efficiency, designed for ruggedness and reliability in harsh marine conditions. The XANJER Expo 284Z is a versatile truck mixer pump, effectively merging concrete mixing and pumping capabilities into a single mobile unit. Its defining feature is a 28-meter, 4-section boom with a full Z opening system, enabling precise concrete placement in diverse and challenging locations, including off-road and urban environments. The pump delivers a maximum flow rate of 60 cubic meters per hour and a maximum concrete pressure of 75 bar, driven by pump cylinders with a 200 millimeter diameter. The integrated mixer drum boasts a geometric volume of 12 cubic meters. Designed for efficiency and mobility, the unit maintains a weight of less than 21.5 tons, typically mounted on an 8x4 truck chassis. The hydraulic system utilizes a Bosch Rexroth pump. The Komatsu HD 3257R is a heavy-duty rigid dump truck engineered for demanding mining and quarry operations. Powered by a Komatsu SAA6D1 water-cooled 4-cycle diesel engine, it delivers a net horsepower of 371 kilowatts, 498 horsepower, meeting EPA Tier 3 and EU Stage 3A equivalent emission standards, with a rated payload of 36.5 metric tons or 40 US tons, and a heaped body capacity of 31.4 cubic yards. It efficiently transports large volumes of material. The truck features a full automatic planetary-type transmission with 7 forward and 1 reverse speeds, and its braking system includes fully hydraulic-controlled. The GOMACO TC5600 is a sophisticated texture cure machine designed for precision in concrete paving projects. It utilizes GOMACO's proprietary G+ control system, enabling accurate electronic over hydraulic steering and grade control. Adaptable to various sensor methods, this 4-track machine prioritizes transport efficiency, featuring tracks that rotate 90 degrees and hydraulically folding spray bar and workbridge assemblies. Operational versatility is evident in its texturing and curing capabilities, offering options for longitudinal tining, transverse tining, and a single-pass transverse texture cure process. Key specifications include service capacities. Colas Rail and TSO Catenairs have forged a strong partnership specializing in the comprehensive renewal and maintenance of railway catenary systems, covering both 1,500 volts and 25,000 volts electrification. Their collaboration is marked by the development of highly efficient, all-in-one catenary replacement work trains designed to revolutionize the speed and productivity of catenary renewal projects. These innovative trains integrate multiple tasks, such as old component removal and new wire installation, and in the case of 1,500-volt lines, also pole replacement, into a single, streamlined process. This approach significantly reduces project timelines, with targeted increases in renewal speed by factors of 3 to 4 compared